That's definitely a skull, and then the vertebrae. That one's a scapula. It's a shoulder plate. Well, we're standing in what's going to be our new dig pit. That's replacing the old dig pit that we had. We're waiting on concrete to be poured, and we've got designs to have it filled with rubber mulch. So these will all be hidden and level with the floor, and then the kids can kind of find them.
We're pouring concrete around some 3D printed bones that we had done at the Frontier Tech Lab on Innovation Campus, and they are scans of some actual specimens in our collection. And this will become a dig site for children to discover bones.
We have essentially done reverse archaeology, where we 3D printed a bunch of bones in powder, modified them so that they could be screwed to the ground, and then 3D printed them and then even dyed them to look like actual fossils.
It's way faster, it's way easier than pulling a silicone mold and then casting it in plaster or even concrete. It's real tough stuff, and Isaac was great to work with because he understood what we were kind of doing for the project and the needs.
The products are top quality. We're really pleased with them, and so we're excited to put it in, finish this off, and bring our big dig site back, because it is one of the most popular activities in the museum.